Here you'll find recipes and development on so many things, some of this.
Share it! Why? 'Cause sharing is caring!
Hi, Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, the lifestyle. I have an Ikea haul. I went to Ikea, pitched a tent, set up my grill, and went to hunting. This is not a sponsored video. We purchased a new home and I decluttered, I sold, I donated, I threw out the garbage. So guess what happened? Do you know what happens? Do you think this is an opportunity for something?
You guys to go shopping.
My husband twisted my arm. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. So I figured I'd go to Ikea and check out the curtains. I don't know if many of you know this, but Ikea is a European country. The country store, people, store! Most of the items that they provide is with height in mind. So that's why you find a lot of the curtains that are super duper long. You find that a lot of the storage solutions are vertical instead of horizontal because the spaces in Europe are very tiny, but a lot of them tend to be very tall. So that's the perfect place to go and look for curtains that are 95 inches and longer for a very, very good price. I have a few unusual curtains here, and I'm gonna show you what I do with some of these items, okay? Maybe not everything because it's not long. First, I'm gonna start with the food items. Now, I like to drink wine. However, I do know that sometimes when you have company, some people do not like to drink alcohol and don't want to feel left out when you're toasting or you're just having a nice dinner, or maybe you're not in the mood to have alcohol. So I figured I'd try this Swedish recipe, Christian Regal, 100% natural, caffeine-free, pomegranate apple, blended sparkling juice. What a mouthful. This right here, look, this, okay, look. Can you see them? Oh, let me do like this, like they do it in the restaurant. This was under $4. When I lived in Germany, I fell in love with lingonberry jam. Spread, fruit spread, jam, marmalade. Oh my gosh, it is.
Oh, I feel snakes going on.
Can somebody cut my lung? I am going to butcher this up, so forgive me my Swedish voice. Ekologisk silt lingon. Lingonberry fruit spread, organic. Thank you very much. By Ikea, go get you some. It's delicious. This is. It has a tartness to it, and of course it is sweet, but it's not overly sweet where you're like, bleh. No, nothing like that, and it is absolutely delicious with sourdough bread, toasted of course, some cream cheese, or shell cheese, and this on top. Oh my gosh, or you can heat up some brie and this on top. I'm a foodie, guys, and I am a recipe developer as well. This caught my eye because it said cardamom crisp rolls. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. Scope.
Come on, girl, you speak several languages. You can do this.
Scorpor cardamom. Scorpor cardamom. Cardamom crisp rolls. These right here, and these were also under $4. So I'm looking forward to giving those a try, and they feel like they're significant. So you can make a nice little curry and have this on the side, dip it. You can make vegetable curry or a fish curry, chicken curry, shrimp curry with some of these on the side for dippage. Do I need to go on? This item right here is plastic, and it is a measuring cup. Why I bought it is because I like the fact that it's just me and my husband right now. So what I do is sometimes I'll make a batter or what have you, and the vessels that I have are too big. And I think that this is perfect for any liquid or batter that you have left over because it has a nice pour spout right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. And it has a lid, and you can cover it, boop, in the fridge. There you go. This was $2.99. I know that for sure. I purchased several of these. glass vessels. These were less than $2. Look at that, that is not bad. I know that don't judge me. I know it's a little cloudy, I gotta wash it. Okay, it's a haul, okay? There was fingers all over it. And I like to have this for entertaining. You could put flowers in it. Imagine several of these on a table with some beautiful foliage in it or some don't judge me, I was doing flowers. That would be beautiful. However, I purchased them for beverages. These were $1.99 and these are also a pack of 2 for $1.99. Now these are bamboo. Hope you can appreciate that. You can cover your coffee mugs, you can cover your teacups, your coffee mugs, and you can cover these nicely, just like that. I'm gonna try to speed this along, but I tell you, it's a lot, so go grab your coffee or tea or something, cause it's gonna be a little long. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab my beverage, okay? This ring right here, when I saw it, I shrieked, and now I'm thinking, man, I wish I would have bought another, because sometimes Ikea, you go back and you don't find what you found the last time. And to be honest with you, this time when I went to Ikea, it was pretty darn sparse. This is only my second time going since I moved to this side of Florida. Anywho, this is the Tarte bag. Hey, I got that right. It looks like this. And it is an expandable ring that, of course, you can use for baking. However, I'm going to use it for stacking salads and things like that. So you're gonna need to stay tuned to see how I do that. But I was so thrilled to find this, and this was $6.99. It says inches is 6 1/4 by 11 3/4. Do you get to do everything you set to do out in one day when you go to Ikea? Because I just can't do it. It is just overwhelming. $2.99. Again, this is great for batter, pancake batter, waffle batter, and I love the fact that it's glass and it has a pour spout right there, and I could use it for juice, homemade juice. I could use it for leftover smoothie.
She's cute.
Did I mention $2.99? Ikea, call me, I'm available. Unfortunately, some of the glassware and bakeware that I've had and entertaining ware did not make it so good in the move. It happens. Like I said before, it presented a need to go shopping. That's my story and I'm sticking to it, okay? I found these glass bakeware. These are 9 3/4 by 9 3/4, and they were only $2.99 on sale. I snatched 2 of them. They look like that. Sometimes, if it's just 2 of you, you don't need a whole big baking sheet unless you're gonna do meal preps and things like that, which I also plan on doing, so you're gonna need to stay tuned for that. Plug, plug. Shameless, shameless. And this is perfect for baking a small chicken. You can bake casseroles in here. There's several things you can do, and they're great because you can take them from the oven to the table to storage. That's great. These are dishwashable, and I'm excited to have these coffee spoons, teaspoons. Love it. The seriously, I was hunting. I was like, just hunting, like, ooh, I was not finding what I was looking for. My husband saw it from the side of his eye, and he called me, and I went. This right here. What? Oh, I got it. I was so excited. Look how huge this is. Does it fit in frame? No. Oh, don't knock yourself out, Cookie. Look at that. Oh, yes. She's the beautiful. This is great for entertaining, making charcuterie boards, several different types of charcuterie boards. You can do it all meats, you can do it cheeses, you can do it only vegetables and fruits, nuts, candy. Oh my goodness, a lot. So again, lots coming on the channel, so you won't want to miss it. I'm just saying. $19.99. And these are 26 by 26, and these were less than $5 a piece, and I grabbed me several of these as well. Now they have some new ones that have buttons going down the front of them, but these will do me just fine because I can also add my own buttons if I want to. horizontally, or I can do it vertically. Or I can put beads, whatever I want to. These were also on clearance. These are lumbar pillows, and these are, oh my goodness, I'm gonna mess this up. Uno minutos. Head of Maria. Whew. They look like this. They feel a little on the rough side, but I figure once I wash them, that will go away. I'm gonna wash them without fabric softener the first time and see how they feel. And a little vinegar. If it still feels a little rough to me, then I will wash it a second time and I'll add some fabric softener, but you can't beat that with a stick. This is a deal. These are 16 by 26 lumbar pillow in a beautiful neutral color. There's so much that you can do with this and add to it. Love that. Then I saw these. I bought different textures. I was so happy about that. Variety is the spice of life, peoples. 20 by 20. This is going to be interesting how to pronounce this one. Okay, hold on. Uno minutos. Thinking cap. What a ways. Vidas spin. Vita Wait a minute. Vita Spin Air. I don't know if you can tell on camera that these are a very soft shade of like an aqua-ish minty, but it has a ombre kind of effect to it. Let's open her up. Why don't we do that? Can I do it? My show. Look at these, how pretty. Guys, I'm sorry, it is so cloudy here. It's just, I can't. So I'm hoping that this is no sunshine for you. From Florida. Anywho, focus, Cookie. Look at those, how pretty. And I love the fact that they have a zipper in them. See? And they're washable. Beautiful feel of chenille. These were $3.99. I got several of those. I got a couple of these down feather pillow inserts. These are 20 by 20. These are the for jars. That one right there. Dang. And it's a 20 by 20, and these were $6.99. I got me several of those.
These curtains, I know you're probably gonna be like, but Cookie, those look like mosquito netting, and you would be right.
These are 2 in a packet for $4.99. And now if you like that island vibe, that Caribbean vibe, you like that kind of, I don't know, destination vibe, get these. They already have a hem on top. You can put your curtain rod through because it already has a curtain hem on top. They don't have any hem on the bottom, so that means that you can cut them to your size. Now, these are not as long as I would like to the floor, but you can buy another pack and hem it on to that pack and just drape it on the floor all the way if you want to. But I got them and I did this with them, look. And that's what they look like installed, just to give you some ideas. Don't mind me. Nope, not ready for a bedroom tour. This way you get an idea of what these netted curtains are gonna look like. Let me come in a little closer. Looks like that. Let me bring you in. You can see that meshing right there. And they are ruched. They are hemmed all the way. They are hemmed. Can you see that? They're hemmed all the way at the top. On here, 2 panels each, so it could have a nice gathering, yet let the light come through. Just like that, so you get some ideas. And then this is how the bottom looks like. You can trim it. Nice, right? Not bad for $4.99. I'm just saying. Now, I put these 2 panels, which is just 1 packet for $4.99 on each side. See? And I still have 2 more. So these are great to have on hand. There's several things that you can do with these. So don't sleep on these. I also got this oh, my Scandinavian and Swedish friends, I am so sorry. I'm trying. Look this. This is a duvet and it comes with the pillowcases. Yeah, this is a duvet and pillowcases. Get it together, Cookie. This, I love the color. I hope that you can appreciate it on camera. I got this for $29.99. Absolutely beautiful. It has kind of like that adobe rusticy coppery color. Oh, that I love. Look at that. It has a beautiful sheen to it. Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. This one as well. This is, oh yeah. Sweden, what you doing to me? Skogs. Then I got these rugs for $6.99. Oh my gosh, they feel so soft, and I like the fact that your toes, well, I have long toes. TMI, yeah, well, it's my truth. Don't judge me. And sometimes when I get rugs that have shag pieces, long shag pieces on it, or long shag pile on it, my toes get caught up in it, and so do my dog's. Not her toes, but her toenails. And I like these, they're very soft. And I could throw these in the wash easily. $6.99. I've even seen people turn these into pillows. Why not? Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful fabric, nice and soft. I got that. And last but not least, pièce de résistance for less than $20. This one costs $14.99. What are words? This one costs $14.99. It is this lamp right here. Can you stand it? I saw this lamp. Wait till I show you where I put them, you know, so you get some ideas. It's nice and short. You can put it underneath the cabinet, because my kitchen cabinets right now, they don't have any light undermount. So I thought this would be nice to have in its place, because I do like it for ambiance in the evening and early morning. And well, you'll see, I'm gonna show you. It's called the, wait for it, Succulent. It's this right here. And I like the fact that it has this kind of switch right here. It's perfect for a lot of different spaces, for a vanity top, in your bathroom even. You wanna see what it looks like? Okay, hold on, watch. Look at this. Not bad, right? I love that idea. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a like, a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you thought of my goodies. Questions, comments, concern. Also post them down below. I have more videos coming out on my progress with my lanai and home decor and recipes and so much more, so you won't want to miss that. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring. And as I say around these parts, smile your soul. Thank you for it. You don't feel like it? Okay, I got you. Uno minutos. Be at peace, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next. Get it together. Venice Spinair. You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get up out of here. Bye. Ooh, mwah.